Hi children, I am going to teach one problem from trigonometry for 10th class. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Look here, in this question, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k given. This is equation 1. You can mark it. Now you can connect with identities. That is third identity. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This statement is related to a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now expand this one to in this formula. Cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Now here has given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. You can bring this k close to here into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Transport k that side. Now you have in LHS cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. You can mark this is second equation. Now you can add equation 1 and 2. What is the equation 1? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. You can write here. Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Next you got another equation, that is second equation. You can write here. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. Now you can draw a line. In first equation plus cot theta there. In second equation minus cot theta there. You can cancel them. 1 plus 1 minus. Now cosec theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. Now you can add these two. K by 1 plus 1 by k. Here two fractions there. While you are adding fractions, find the LCM first. For denominators, 1 comma k LCM k only. Now do division k with 1. You will get k only. K into numerator. Numerator k only. K into k is equal to k square. Plus k is divided by k is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1 only. 2 cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. Then cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Now here cosec theta you got. What is the ratio of cosec theta? That is, cosec means 1 by sine. 1 by sine. What is the ratio of sine? Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse will come up and opposite will come down. This is cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Now come close to triangle. This is the right angle triangle. AC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse given. What is the hypotenuse? K square plus 1. This is acute angle. What is the opposite? AB. AB also given. You can find BC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees angle C is equal to theta. Therefore, AC is equal to hypotenuse is equal to k square plus 1. AB is equal to 2k. That is opposite side. Then BC is equal to question mark. That is adjacent side. You can find it from Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC? K square plus 1 whole square is equal to AB given, that is 2k whole square, plus you have to find BC square. Now expand k square plus 1 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a k square whole square plus 2 into a means k square, b means 1 plus b and square, b square 1 square is equal to 4k square plus bc square. Now this is k square whole square plus 2k square plus 1 square means 1 only, transfer plus 4 square this side, so it becomes 2 minus bc square. Now k square whole square minus 2k square, you can subtract plus 2 square and minus 4k square. You will get minus 2q square plus 1 square is equal to bc square. This is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Now a minus b whole square means a means k square minus 1 whole square is equal to bc square. Now both sides square cancel. You have BC is equal to k square minus 1. BC you can get, this is k square minus 1. Finally, what is he asking? Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? K square minus 1 by what is the hypo? K square plus 1, hence proved. It's proved.